Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Floki Shiba token. Absolutely, Floki Shiba token is ready to the moon, and very soon you can see that the changes of the Shiba token, Floki Shiba token, and you can see that positive 2.22% price start. Oh my goodness, you can see that is a quick fall so far in the Floki Shiba token. You can see here just at this time the price chart of the Floki Shiba token is loading, but don't worry. Now at this time you can see the quick fast down occur in the Floki Shiba token, but don't worry, my friends, everything will be okay, my friends. Just hold. You can see, my friend, the previous time of the Floki Shiba is a good time, but now the last time the Floki Shiba price is going down. Absolutely, they will give you good amount of profit. Don't decide to sell, my friends. Don't decide to sell. That is a temporary fast, my friends. After some passage of time the price will pump and you will get good amount of profit, my friends. So don't worry about these changes, my friends. I believe that Floki Shiba is going to the moon. Are you ready for the moon, my friends? Tell me in the comment box. And Floki Shiba is now trending cryptocurrencies in the market, my friends. You know what? That is a trending coin, that is a trending token in the market, my friends. So now the price of the Floki Shiba token is also low. If you want to invest in a Floki Shiba token, so I really recommend for all of you to invest more and more in the Floki Shiba token, because the price is very low. Thanks for watching this video. How do you feel about a Floki Shiba token? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.